Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I love to craft. HTVRONT was so kind to send over their H17, which is their phone case heat press. It does so much more than phone cases. So let's get into today's video. Today we are going to be sublimating some buttons. Now this right here is a HTVRONT phone case press, and you can do so much more than just sublimating phone cases. So of course today we are going to be doing some buttons. This is what the inside of the phone press looks like. So whenever you're sublimating something, this right here helps it suction. Now, whenever you print your image, you will need to print on the sublimation film. This does come with the kit, so be sure to use this instead of sublimation paper. Whenever you use the sublimation film, make sure that you are printing on the matte side up. Let's go ahead and set up the machine. So we're going to press the power button. It does have a upper heat plate and a lower heat plate. In order to set your heat plates, you're going to press the temperature button. It will turn yellow. Whenever we are sublimating buttons, we want to use 285 degrees. Whenever it's lit up yellow, we're setting the top plate. It's already set there. Red means that you're setting the bottom plate. It's already at 285. If you click the timer button, we're going to go ahead and set that to 5 seconds. That is just the preheat. Whenever it's red, you're setting the actual time that you're going to be sublimating. It's set to 330 seconds. So now we are going to go ahead and let the machine heat up for at least 10 minutes. I have already printed out my images with my sublimation printer. Now we're just going to set it on top. That way that it kind of heats up. We need at least 5 minutes for this to dry. So while it's sitting up here, we're going to go ahead and get out the rest of the pieces that we need for today. So right here is the plate, and these little pieces right here just sit on top like that. They have little grooves in them, and all that you do is just set it in there. So let's just go ahead and put it in there now, just like that. And here is the package that the buttons come in. It says sublimation badge, but they are buttons, and they look just like this. They have that little pin on the back, so we can go ahead and start unpackaging these. They come in this little clear plastic bag. And that's all the prep that you have to do. So let's go ahead and take the other two out. Alright, I'm going to wait for this to heat up and I'll be right back. Now that the heat press has had time to warm up, we are going to use the heat gloves that are included in this kit, so make sure that you use them. We are going to move this out of the way. So now what I'm going to do is open this up, and I'm going to put the buttons on these 3 holders here, and it does have a little slot where that pin goes. So we'll put it like that. We'll put that second one on and that third one on. Since we sublimated on the matte side, we want to make sure that side is facing down. That way that ink can sublimate the buttons. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Again, matte side down, make sure that it's centered on the buttons. And you also want to make sure that you are covering up that black seal, because that's what suctions your paper down. So make sure that there are no gaps. Then I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and I'm going to click this button here, and it starts. It's a very quiet machine. You will hear it suction. Alright, we have about 20 seconds left on the machine. Go ahead and start putting on your gloves. This is a hot peel, so you definitely need to make sure that you are ready. We have about 10 seconds left. I'm so excited. Fingers crossed that this one actually turned out really nicely. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, then you'll hear that beep, and you can open it up. And I can already tell it looks so good. So let's go ahead and start taking the buttons off. Again, this is a hot peel. All right. Oh my goodness. There we have Sheriff Woody. We have Sweet Jessie. And we have the cute dinosaur. I, for the life of me, cannot remember his name right now, but these buttons turned out so stinking cute. Look at how good these turned out. I'm going to let these cool and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, and here's how those 3 buttons turned out. I'm super impressed. This HTVRONT phone case press does so much more than phone cases. It can do, of course, the buttons, but we can also do coasters, ceramic car coasters, air fresheners, ceramic ornaments, a slate frame. There is just endless possibilities with this machine. I will have it linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, along with other supplies that you might want to pick up as well. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!